Guys, today it's me after school and I'm having another vlog because today we dismiss at 12 o'clock because today is our last exam. And here's my friend Severo. You saw him in the Olympian City Adventures. Hi Severo. Hi. And now here's my sisters, Laura, Catherine. Oh, sorry Severo. Laura, Catherine, wait up. Say hi.
Wait. It's my birthday!
Yeah, Catherine's birthday today.
Hello.
That is Caitlin. You saw her in the other videos of the Olympian Cities Adventures.
Yes.
And now we're going to the beach. Yay.
Yes.
Which beach are we going to though, Severo?
Oh, I know. I don't know, but you can ask my mom. She knows.
We're going to Mawan.
Yeah.
Which is near Noah's Ark. And we're going to swim and have fun there because we have lots of time after school, right?
Yeah, but I can't swim without a swimming ring on beaches.
Wait, you wear a swimming ring?
Yes.
Oh.
Because I'm scared of the sea water.
It's okay. Even though you're older, you can still wear a swim ring.
Well, but still, I can only go in swimming pools without a swimming ring.
And there, Laura and Catherine and Caitlin are playing chase. Laura, Catherine, Caitlin, what are you playing? Chase.
Jay, let's see who be the catch.
Okay.
And also, here's my uncle, Uncle Jay.
Why, hello. And who is it?
Close your eyes, another of my vlogs. Jay, I'll be the
You
catch.
saw him in the Olympian Cities Adventures also. So you saw Severo, Caitlin, and my uncle in the Olympian Cities Adventures in another video. So we'll get to the beach later after we wait for some other friends to come with us.
Yeah.
So we'll see you later.
Also,
Yeah?
I have aluminum foil at home. I wanted to make an aluminum foil boat to put out to the sea.
Oh, but do you know how to make a paper boat? No?
Only my mom knows.
Then you can ask your mom. I have lots of paper.
Well, do you have aluminum?
Sorry,
I also have
don't.
paper.
Okay, so we'll see you in part 2 in my vlog at the beach. Bye guys, see you in part 2.